Such a pretty boy, Jasper. Are you dancing? You don't like the camera? Aw, you're a pretty little baby. A pretty baby, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're a pretty baby. You coming down to see me? Aw, look at you. What's the matter? You don't like the camera? You're such a big boy. Aw, look at Jasper. You're so cute, Jasper. Hi. Are you giving me a dance? Yeah? Aw. Peekaboo. Hello, Jasper. Are you a pretty baby? Yeah? I'm a little Quaker, short and stout. Open the door and let me come out. If you rub my tummy, I will shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Pour me out. Pour me out. I'm a little Quaker, short and stout. Open the door and let me come out. If you rub my tummy, I will shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Pour me out. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey, oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey, oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! You like that song, Jasper? Yeah. Are you a good boy? Jasper, what are you doing? Yeah, you want to sing the other song again? I'm a little Quaker, short and stout. Open the door and let me come out. If you rub my tummy, I will shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Pour me out. Pour me out. Aw, that's cute, Jasper. Are you a pretty baby? Are you a pretty baby? Aw, you are a pretty baby, aren't you? I'm a little Quaker. I'm a little Quaker. I'm a good boy. Are you a good boy, Jasper? Yeah, you are a good boy. Are you going up your ladder? No? Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going, Jasper? Pretty boy. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Aw, you don't like the camera? Aw. Have you ever seen a Quaker go this way and that way? Ever seen a Quaker go this way and that? This way and that way, this way and that way. Ever seen a Quaker go this way and that? Oh, that was cute, Jasper. Very cute. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jasper? Hello. Hello, Jasper. Aw, you're so cute. Are you dancing? Oh, look at your pretty feathers. They are so pretty. Yes, they are. Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going, Jasper? Where are you going? Hey? Where are you going, Jasper? Aw. Hello, sweetie. Hello. Are you going to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No. Okay. See you later, Jasper.